Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can insert a picture into Microsoft Excel. So before we get started, I just want to ask you, like, if this is your first time, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. With that being said, let's get started. Now, as you can see, I already have my Excel file open up here, right? So I just want to insert the picture into this. So all you have to do is just come into insert, click on insert, and then you have this picture here. Click on that, right? And then this tab should open up. Now just go through your computer to choose whichever picture you want to choose, and then I just want to insert this. Now click on OK. Right now, as you can see, you have that. Okay, now move it around. So you insert your picture into Microsoft. Now you can style this. You can either crop it or resize it, make it small or big. Come to the edge, small or big. You can even enlarge it, right? Big or small, right there. You have that. You can enlarge that, move it around and put it wherever you want. You can even style it. You can crop this. Let's say crop. You can crop it, come down there and then click on that and then just click out. See, you crop it. You can even crop it in a circle. You can crop it to a shape that you want. You can, let's say, choose a circle. Now you see you got that. You crop it into a circle. So that's how you can style it. You can even add borders, pictures border. Let's say we want to add to blue, or you can even use red, and then you can change the size of the pictures right there. See the border, right? See, you style that, so you can move it around. So yeah, you can even change the color if you want. You can come here and then if you want it, you can change the color right there to whichever you prefer. See, you got that. You can change the color of your pictures, right? So yeah, just make sure when you are styling it, you select it so you can get this format tab open up right here, right? So yeah, that's how you insert a picture into Excel. Yeah, I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, and if this was your first time, then please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, see you again in the next video. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.